This is part 2 of the top places that you must visit on your next trip to Utah. Up first, we have Meadow Hot Springs. This beautiful gem is hidden in the middle of a field, and you are completely surrounded by mountains for the most beautiful scenery ever. And these hot springs even have fish. Number 2 is the iconic Salt Flats. This is still one of my favorite places to go to recharge and feel like I'm on another planet. At number 3, we have Camas Lake. This is a 4.5-mile round-trip hike to one of the clearest and most beautiful lakes you will ever see. At number 4, we have Kanara Falls. This is a 3.8-mile round-trip hike that takes you through a canyon and by multiple waterfalls. This beautiful place does require a permit. And at number 5, we have Dead Horse Point State Park. This state park often gets overlooked by the nearby national parks, but it honestly cannot be missed.